This is Tanmay Chakraborty. I am one of the student of IB Professional School, and in this video, I am going to show you my Tableau dashboard of COVID-19 cases. So, guys, before get started, let me show you the dataset. Actually, I have multiple dataset. Here I have COVID-19 India data, hospital beds India data, and population India census 2011 data actually, but the actually this data of 2000, the data are the year of 2020. Okay, and here I have some data which I have downloaded from WHO websites, where they have listed all the cases details globally, India, UK, Japan, and so on and so forth, and also this global TV data also have the same thing. Okay, so I have merged both analysis together, and I have tried to give my best to analyze what's has happened already and what is going to happen in the future. Okay, now here is my first dashboard. Here you can see this dashboard of COVID cases dashboard. In this dashboard what I have showed here is the COVID cases in all the countries, and the bigger the size of the bubble, then the so many cases, smaller the size of the bubble, so there are less number of cases. Okay, so now here we can see that I have selected 2020. Let me select all. Yeah, now you can see both graphs are changing. Okay, so now here what I've done, like here the COVID, all the COVID cases in all the countries. Now if you want to see, like here is the India, you can see the total number of cases are 360,70510, whereas here United States of America, we all know that they have started the main spread after China. Okay, so here approximately 613,277 number of cases in United States of America. And let's see the cases in this area, right? uh, Let me say the last one actually. In this, if I want to sit together, because if we want to sit together, we can select like this, and here you can see the total number of cases. Easily we can see the total number of cases of Hungary has 1308877. France also has many number of cases, and based on this selection, what I have showed here COVID case in weekly trend. I have showed the trend week on the basis of weekly basis. Okay, so here you can see in this country like France, Germany, Italy together, Romania, so many countries are there. Like some small countries, some big countries. Okay, Republic of Moldova, France, like that. So here what I have showed, like in the case of first 2 or 3 weeks there are very less number of cases, but after you can see that after the 18 October 2020, the cases has started to increase, and sometimes the seasonal weekly trend was going on, and after in the month of June or May there are very less number of cases, but after that, after the end of August, start of August, in like 22 August 2021, the cases have started to increase, and they are increasing, so on and so forth. Like here you can see up to 2022. Okay, uh Nigeria, so the cases have started to increase. Now let's see in the basis of yearly. So you can see that if I talk about this case in 2020, then you can see that in the same case of weekly trend, there is a wave has started in these countries after the month of 4th October. So you can easily understand that, like the this to this here is a there was a maybe it was a first wave for these countries in 2020, because COVID has started on 2020. Okay, so now here you can easily understand that, right, that after 11 October 2020, there was a wave in this country. Okay, now if I talk about 2021, then you can see that uh, in 2021 there is a cases, there is no, like up to April there was a trend in the case of cases, but in the month of up to 4th July there are very less number of cases, and again this is seasonal trend. Again after the month of October, you can say after the month of July, again COVID has started to increase, and they are going increase and increasing up to you can say 26 December 2021. Okay, uh okay, if I want to see only the case of India, because I'm from India, obviously I want to see for the India, right? Here you can see that in the case of India in 2000, if I want to see in 2020, then we all know that, right, that after the month of we all don't know exactly the date, but yeah, from this data you can easily conclude that uh, after 19 July 2020 there are 2 lakhs 98,145 cases are there, and after the month of July, after the date of 19 July 2020, there was a wave, right? There was a wave, and the wave has started to increase. There was a wave in, like, in the case of up to 11 October there's a high number of cases, and then it started to decrease and decrease and decrease in the case of 20, right? Now if I want to see the same, the death cases in India, this is the COVID-19 days dashboard, okay? I have divided into two different dashboard to make you understand very clearly. Now, if I want to see that, you can see the same trend, because see here after the 19 July 2020, there are very high number of cases. At the same time, like after the after like after 21 June also there are so many deaths as well, because once the cases has increased and as well as deaths also has increased, right? So we can easily conclude together, both together, right? In the case of in the case of India of the year 2020, okay? Now in 2021 there was a again there was a wave that which maybe it might be the second wave, and the 4th April, the 4th this has started 4th April, like 11 April 2021, and uh, there are so many cases up to 30th May, then again it started to decrease, right? There are very less number of cases then, but yeah, up to 30th May you can easily see that there are very high number of cases, and still for the same, if I talk about 2020, you can see easily conclude that up to from 18 April 2020 to 13 June also there are so many days as well, okay? So here we can easily conclude both together, right? Now here is the top 10 cumulative case in the WHO regions, because WHO has different column named WHO region, where WHO has selected all the cases. So what I have done, I have showed, I have used a filter here to see the top 10 cases in WHO region. So in Africa, if we talk about, there are South Africa in the top. There are so many cases, you can easily see that, like 3534,131 number of cases. That is high compared to Ethiopia, Kenya, Zambia, because South Africa has so many high number of cases. It is a cumulative case, okay? So I have used here because this is a cumulative case, okay? Now if I talk about the Americas, we all know that USA has started, uh, USA has affected very badly. So you can easily see that there are so many number of cases compared to the other, like Brazil, Argentina, Colombia. USA, like United States of America, was in very big trouble. So we can easily conclude that for Eastern, so for Eastern is there Iraq, Iran, Islamic Republic has so many cases, approximately 6 to 10298 cases compared to the others like Pakistan, Iraq, Jordan, Morocco, UAE, Lebanon, like that, okay? And for the case of Asia, Southern Asia, the India has the so many cases. So, India has the very high amount of cases compared to Indonesia and Thailand. So in Asia, you can easily see that, like they are not affect they were not affected much compared to the others, because here you can see that there are cases are nearly they have crossed the lakhs amount. But for the case of for the case of Southeast Asia, there are not much number of cases like the other other regions. So other regions there are so many number of cases. You can easily understand from this bar graph. Okay. Now for the case of India, there is so many number of cumulative cases. You can easily conclude. So okay. Right. Now here what I have showed the top 10 countries based on the COVID case in different years. Now if I talk about 2020, then let me deselect it here. Now so in the case of 2020, you can see the top 10 COVID case in different years. So in 2020 they are America in the first position, India in the second, and Brazil in the third position. They are these top 10 countries I have showed in 2021 also. India also in the second position, and United States of America again in the first position. But in 2022 we don't have much data, so you the you can see this graph is not giving us much information, because we have not much of data, because today I am recording this video 17 January 2022. So the data was up to 14th January 2022. Uh, so you can easily understand that we have not much of data to analyze right now, the trend data actually. So based on the historical data, you can see that again United States of America in the top, but India now in the one, two, three, four, five, fifth position, and France in the second position. You can see, right? Now let's go to the date dashboard. Um, okay, now there's a date dashboard, so you can, this date dashboard you can easily conclude one thing, like now if I talk about the same thing what I showed, the same thing, like top 10 dates based on who regions. Now for the case of Africa, you can easily see that there are again South Africa in the top for the case of this, and in case of Americas also there USA in the top position, and again Brazil, then Mexico. And but now the dates are like nearly they are like here, they're 833,519, and in the case of Brazil they're 620,091. They are closely related to each other, but for the case for the but in the sense of cases there are so much difference between different cumulative cases. There is so much difference between them, right? Now if I talk about the Southeast Asia, then you can see here again a big difference. Like in India there is a 484655, this but in the case of Indonesia there are so very less number of, in Bangladesh there are so many less, so less number of this there. Okay, now you can see that like top 10 countries based on different years. So you can see based on the dates actually. Say if I talk about 2020, the United States of America in the top based on the dates, and Brazil also in the second, and India in the third position. So you can see the numbers as well, and the average cumulative data I showed in my tooltip as well. Now in the case of 2021, you can easily see that there are again United States of America in the top, again Brazil and India in the third position. In the 2020, India was in the third position, and 2021 also India is the third position. That like Brazil also Brazil has faced so many dates, and also India and Russian Federation, Mexico, and they are top 10 countries based on different years. Okay, now what I have done, I have focused my entire analysis on the case of Maharashtra actually, because I have the data. This data, these three data are there. So based on the three data, there are actually these data are about, let me show you the data actually. This data has contained the data about India's other states. Like here you can see let me tell this, like, so you can see there is a state, this is a state data of India. Okay, so there we have the detailed information about the states, and these data actually all about based on the global data, and not state based data. And but this data is all about the state based data. So based on these data I have analyzed only for the case of Maharashtra, because Maharashtra has a high number of cases. Let me show that uh, mm, average confirmed cases, COVID is in different country. Let me show you that. Let me find it out. Why did I put it? Total based on total countries. A is a case of COVID-19 data. Let me show you that. Um, uh, okay. Okay, so now here you can see that, right, here I have analyzed the data of Maharashtra COVID-19, Maharashtra COVID-19 data analysis. So there are total confirmed cases. You can see that there are 22,095 total confirmed cases, and cured cases are 2167, and total death cases are 1372 cases. Okay, now also you can find one thing. Yeah, now so you can find one thing here, that yeah, so there you can find one thing, that for the case of Maharashtra, in the state of Maharashtra, there are there is a two type of area, right, rural and urban. So in urban areas there are 89 beds in per hospital. Okay, per hospital has about approximately 89 beds, and in the case of rural there are 45 beds. So there are less number of beds in rural areas compared to urban, right? And based on the population, there most people are living in rural area, and less number of people living in urban area. Okay, And here you can see that I have showed the weekly death versus cure percentage in Maharashtra. Okay, let me show you that actually I have forgot to close it. Okay, sorry. So here you can see weekly death versus cure percentage in Maharashtra. So you can see that there was a trend, and again this data started to increase from the case of 2010 March. Like in the data from the 2010 March, there is a so number of days has started to increase, and as well as the as you can see that data started to increase, and as well as there is a cure percentage. So I have used the dual axis here. This is for the case of death percentage, and this is for the cure percentage. So you can see the cure percentage, death percentage is 58.38%. There you can see in the tooltip, and also the cure percentage is 55%. There are less number of cured cases compared to the death cases. So that was a very bad time for Maharashtra. And you can see the confirmed cases also has started to increase, as well as the deaths also started to increase. Okay, now here, like here I show the different number of hospitals in Maharashtra. So you can see that community in Maharashtra there is 43 community hospitals and 70 district healthcare hospital and primary healthcare hospital, also 2638 primary healthcare hospital. So it might be possible that people are not going much. Maybe it might be possible that the people who are living in rural areas might not get much treatment for the case of COVID, because there are less number of beds compared to the urban areas, but where population is high, rural area compared to urban area. So maybe they have to increase the number of beds or number of hospital to for the people who are living in the rural area. It might be helpful for the locality as well. So guys, I hope this analysis will helpful. If you find it useful, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section below. So guys, thank you for watching this video.